Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Learning and Vim day 16. First, if you have been doing practice until this point of the series, congratulations. You now are really close to mastering most of the Vim stuff. That's so congratulations on you for doing this far. And again, if you have liked the series so far, leave a like and just a comment. That will help the content to go to others and maybe help them in their learning path. And well, at the end of the day, it will just help everybody. So today we will continue with macro recording. So idea is to basically here I will just press a enter, and idea is to delete the name from the slides and move it to the next line. Okay, I think that is just delete the wording. So again, there are ways of doing things just to practice macro, but if you really want just to do that, I will just search for int and I will just leave it like here. And I will have to fix the printed statement because print contains int. But I think that we could do better if we do it properly. We will do just int and we will replace with this. That should do the same without a macro. Or you could do just fi Control V in visual mode D, it will do the same. So take that, just keep that in mind. But otherwise, we will just do. Let's say that those numbers are bar indented, like here, and let's say that this one is like here, and we want to move them or refactor them. Or we want a macro that allows us to execute in that kind of situation. So we will record in the I won't use the pattern match. Pattern match could do well, but I prefer to record motions. Let's do Q F in the record in the register F and F I DW J0 Q. I will do 0 and I will do at F or as they just stated 3 at F, and it won't work. 2 at F, it won't work because we have to be in 0 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. Undo. 0. 3 at F. It will do it properly. Next one. Did the word final and moves to the next line. Same here. If you are going to do this, dw dot j dot, it will do it. You don't need a macro for that, but you get the idea. Recording macro will help. This one is one where I think that most of us could have a macro for doing this. This is like my favorite exercise for macro and SQL editing in general. Let's do what usually happens. Let's change this for an update. 0. Let's try. Q. Let's do it in the age, in the register age, and let's do change words. So CW update escape, find the star, CW, let's say username. Oh no, I mean users. Users. Escape. And let's do capital F, DW, dot, escape, Q. So, oh, I did it the wrong way. I forgot the set. Damn sick. Let's do it again. QH, change word for update, escape, find the next asterisk, CW, users, escape, F, capital F, F, capital F, CW, set, user, set, I don't know, zip code. No, let's do like property for my user. Locked. Let's do locked. Equal false. Escape. DW, escape, QH. I think that it won't work properly, but you get the idea. At H, it didn't properly delete the from part and didn't took the set. Too many keywords. Let's go back again and let's try to record a proper macro. Q, escape, undo. Maybe we will just have to use movements. QH, CW, update, escape, L. Let's do 4DW, CW, escape. No, this also won't work. Undo. Let's do it again. QH, CW, update, L, just to get to the next character. DW, yes, insert, space, escape, FW, let's do CW and do set. Without where. Q. Oh, I didn't record the macro. Oh my god. Undo. Let's do it just one more time. I promise. The last one. QA, CW, update, F star, DW. I should have used dot fw tw set escape q q. So let's do a 0 at h. What the hell did this do? This did what? What I'm recording? This is w update escape f star w dot w cw set escape q j0 at a. Yes, basically this j at a. Oh, undo. It should be in 0 at a 0 at a. So if you see the macro did what we needed and to do some kind of editing, it will work. If we want to add always the same word, I think that we can also insert on the previous macro. So basically, sorry for the failing, but have to think. You have to think usually properly the motion. I won't do this one from Java because it's just replacing. This one is just replacing also. Let's check. Same thing. So it's like deletes puts, move to the next line. But we can't switch again the record macro with the CW. Like, let's say that we are going to, instead of doing puts, we are going to change to print and open and close brackets. Let's do CW, print, open bracket, deal, escape, $, append, close parenthesis, escape, Q. Go back to 0 at A, J0 at A. This is a good refactor. It's not Ruby anymore, but you understand what is the idea. You like copy paste some logic and you have the next logic in the proper way. This is PHP that deletes the $, character that moves to the next line. That's not useful. This will do it better. I don't need even visual block. I will do like 3, 5, 6 DW. Not a command editor. Why not? 6, 8, 9. I think that it will be just D. Yes. Let's do visual mode. Then it's like 3J D. That's useful than a macro. But you get the idea of recording macros. C++ and delete the cast. What if I want just to change the signature? Let's record a different macro. UA. Let's find the first S DW dot escape insert console dot write line escape L dw insert opening bracket escape dollar sign insert close bracket escape Q. Let's go back and let's try it again. Add A and 0 add A. You basically almost do it. I will have to work the refactor properly. I should have find the closing code and put the final thing. But you got the idea of the macro thing. Can figure out things better when you just do next lessons, but that's the idea. Delete the word public. No, that's the same thing as always. Val to var. I don't need to do that, really. Echo message 1. That's not good. That's good practice, but we have understood the idea. Let's record a different macro. Just for the thing. Let's say that we are going to... I don't know if I could say that you're going to refactor this. But maybe we could try. Let's give it a try. So, QA. Let's do it. EW dollar sign EW percentage L EW L P majus F parenthesis majus F opening bracket percentage CW equals escape B W 0 J K Q. Seems a little complicated. Let's see if this works. At A, yes. Add A, and you have a almost a function that if you reward things just one time and they are good enough, you can change basically and refactor the syntax. So that's good when we are like switching languages and we want to do refactor that seems more readable. And this is the most of more of the same. You can practice this, of course, you can. You can, of course, do this. Oh, and this is the module 11, where we are going to do the test, and they just will give us an instruction, and we have to do it properly. So I will leave that for the next video. I think that I need just to prepare myself for doing a test. And if you want, you can totally go ahead and try it by yourselves. So, thank you for being that far on the series. This is the next one should be almost the finishing line for most of you, because once we finish module 11, we have a lot of final tests. We will get on buffers, so this kind of line division that we have here, how to work with tabs, how to combine buffers, and we will see how to delimiters, how to combine operator with objects, finally how to do some customization and colors, and finally that's a congratulations for us. So see you in the next one. We are going to finish this course, this learning path very soon. Thank you for joining in. And if you liked, again, leave a like and subscribe if you want. I will be presenting new things, I hope. See you. Bye bye.